we are going to see revision. Quick revision 1. Listen children, I am going to ask questions in the end of this session. For last 10 minutes, I will ask the questions to you. So listen the class carefully and just answer me through the chat box. Okay? Is it okay for you children? Are you all ready to answer? Yes. Okay. Okay children. So after completing the second lesson, you will be having quick revision in your book. Okay? So first Roman letter, name the following. Yes, good morning all of you. Just listen to the class, okay? CDC 1700 is an example of this computer. Mini computer. See, it is the example for mini computer. Just repeat me without unmuting your audios, children, okay? CDC 1700 is an example of this type of computer is mini computer. What do you know about mini computers, children? Just remember the first lessons class. So it has a same size as of a refrigerator, right? It was replaced by microcomputers. That is, it was not mostly used. Okay, it was replaced by microcomputers. Okay, so CDC 1700 is an example for mini computer. M-I-N-I, mini. We have completed the second lesson now, children. In the last class, we have completed our second lesson book back exercises, children. So today we are going to see the quick revision only. Okay. I will ask questions in the first, second and quick revision. Okay. First lesson, second lesson and quick revisions. Okay. Don't worry. I will help you. Okay. So second question, the most powerful computer devices in terms of performance and data processing is supercomputer. So it is the most powerful computer. Supercomputers are most powerful computer. It has a very high performance and it has high data processing also. It is very bigger in size. It is very expensive. What it will do, it will occupy the entire room because it is very large in size, no? So it is only used by the big industries and research institutions for research purpose. Okay. So it is the most powerful computer device in terms of performance and data processing. Supercomputer. S-U-P-E-R. Super. C-O-M. P-U-T-E-R, computer, supercomputer. S-U-P-E-R, super, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer, supercomputer. Third one, a program written using a high-level language is a source program. We studied about the languages, right? What are the two types of languages? Low level language, that is called machine level language and assembly level language and high level language, right? Sorry children, machine level language and assembly language, right? So the high level languages are used for writing the programs. It uses English letters and mathematical symbols. So writing the program in the high level languages is called as a source program. So we cannot run the source program directly on a computer. We need a compiler to compile the program. I hope you all can remember this. Yes, Pugarendi, sure, I will repeat for you. Okay. So a program written using a high-level language is called as a source program. S-O-U-R-C-E, source, P-R-O-G-R-A-M, program, source program written using a high-level language is called source program. SOURCE, source, PROGRAM, program, source program. Fourth one, the smallest unit of computer memory is called bit. Bit has zeros and ones. 8-bit is equal to 1 byte. So 1 byte can store a single character of text. That is, it can store only a single text alone. For example, it can store only A. Right? You all can remember, no? So it is the smallest unit of computer memory. Bit. B-I-T. Bit. It is the smallest unit of computer memory. BIT, bit. Using this option, we can apply animation effects for any object, for an object when it leaves the slide. Exit option. Okay. Using this option, we can apply animation effects for an object when it leaves the sliders. Exit option. EXIT. Exit. I'm repeating it once again. CDC 1700 is an example of this type of computer is mini computer. Second one, the most powerful computer devices in terms of performance and data processing is supercomputer. Third one, a program written using a high-level language is called source program. Fourth one, the smallest unit of computer memory is called bit. Using this option, we can apply animation effects for an object when it leaves the slide as exit option. Okay. So going to see match the following now. So in the left side, you are having the types of computers, and in the right side, examples are given for the types of computers. Okay. First one, mobile computer. CDC 1700. CDC 1700 is a mobile computer. And about microcomputer is laptop. Laptop is a microcomputer. And mini computer is, just a minute children, it is wrongly typed I think. It is wrongly typed children, okay? PC is a microcomputer. Okay. Mainframe computer is numerical. Sorry. Okay. See, first one is mobile computer. Which is your mobile computer? Laptop. Okay. Laptop is your mobile computer. Second one, microcomputer. Personal computer is your microcomputer. Third one is mini computer. CDC 1700 is a mini computer. And mainframe computer is Unisys ClearPath is the mainframe computer. Supercomputer is numerical wind channel. So in the H they have given the numbers, okay, for match. So mobile computer is laptop. Second one, microcomputer is personal computer. And mini computer is CDC 1700. Mainframe computer is Unisys ClearPath. And fifth one, supercomputer is numerical wind channel. Okay. And next we are going to see is observe the print dialog box and answer the following questions. Which option will be used to print the current slide? So to print the current slide, we have to select the current slide option. To print the current slide, we have to select the current slide option. Okay. So which option will be used to print the current sliders? Current slide. current, current, slide, slide, current slide. And second one, which option will be used to print the multiple slides on the one page is slides per page box. Okay. Which option will be used to print the multiple slides on one page is slides per page box. slides, slides, per, page, box, slides per page box. Third one, which button will be used to preview the page before printing? We have to use the preview option, right? So preview button. Preview, preview. Which button will be used to preview the page before printing as preview? Which option will be used to print a selected slide range? Slides option. So in the slides option, we can able to set the slides range. Okay. slides, slides, option, option, slides option. Which option will be used to print the current slide is current slide option. Which option will be used to print multiple slides on the one page is slides per page box. Which button will be used to preview the page before printing is preview. Which option will be used to print a selected slide ranges? Slides option. Okay. So last Roman is answer the following. These computers are also called as personal computers. So the PC, personal computers are microcomputers. Okay. The personal computers are microcomputers. These computers are also called the personal computers as microcomputer. MICRO, micro, COMPUTER, computer, microcomputer. Second one, this is a high-level computer language, basic. It is the example for high-level computer language. Okay. Not only this basic, we can say C, C++ and Java also an high-level language. Okay, so these are the examples of high-level languages. This is a high-level computer languages, basic, BASIC, basic. You can also write C, C++ and Java. Okay. So this is made up of 8 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So your answer is byte. B-Y-T-E, byte. 1 byte is made up of 8 bits. Fourth one, point to this option to select an animation effect to apply when the object is on the slide is emphasis. We are seen about 4 things, right? Entrance, emphasis, exit. I hope you all can remember. So in that entrance, in the sense the object enters the slide, we have to use entrance. And emphasis in the sense when the object is on the slide means you have to use emphasis. To exit from the slide, you have to use the exit option. Okay. This will help the object to disappear from the slide. Okay. So the answer is emphasis. Point to this option. Point to this option is to select an animation effect to apply when the object is on the slide is emphasis. Fifth one, this button erases the animation applied to a text or an object. See, if you click the remove button, it will be removed, right? So it erases the animation applied to a text or an object. R-E-M-O-V-E, remove. This button erases the animation applied to a text or an object is remove button. This option is selected to set the animation time. In the timing, we can set the time. Okay. Timing, timing option, we can able to set the animation time. Okay. So this option is selected to set the animation time. Timing. Yes, children. I will post it in the Google Classroom. Okay. I'm repeating it once again for you children. These computers are also called personal computers or microcomputers. Okay. This is a high level computer languages basic. This is made up of 8 bits byte. Point to this option to select an animation effect to apply when the object is on the slide emphasis. This button erases the animation applied to a text or object as removed. This option is selected to set the animation time as time. Okay. So with this, your quick revision 1 is over. So now I'm going to revise the second lesson. Phillips, transitions are displayed in the transition to this slide group. It is displayed in the transition to this slide group. Transitions are displayed in the transition to this slide group. The play button is used to preview the animation of the current slide. Play button is used to preview the animation for the current slide. The speed of a transition is selected from the transition speed list. The speed of a transition is selected from the transition speed list. To begin an animation, when we click the slide, the timing option is selected. To begin an animation, when we click the slide, the timing option is selected. We can specify the number of slides to be printed on one page using the slides per page box. We can specify the number of slides to be printed on one page using slides per page box. True or false? The manner in which one slide follows the other in a presentation is called animation. False. The manner in which one slide follows the other in a presentation is called animation. False, because it is a transition, right? Yes. Second one, the custom animation button is present in the transition to the slide group. False. It is present before that transition to the slide group, right? So the statement is false. The custom animation button is present in transmission to the slide group. False. Third one, the apply to all button adds the selected transition effect to all the slides in the presentation. True. Apply to all button adds the selected transition effect to all the slides in the presentation is true. Fourth one, we can print only the notes section of a presentation. False. We can able to print anything, right? So the statement is false. Fifth one, to run a presentation automatically, we can set the transition time. True. If we set the transmission time is 2 seconds, for every 2 seconds, it will display the next slide, right? So the statement is true. Answer in one word. When we click this arrow to see all the available transitions is more arrow. Okay. You can find it in the transition to the slide group end. Okay. End of the group, you can find this more arrow. So we can click this arrow to see all the available transitions is more arrow. We select this checkbox to play the animation again is rewind when done. Okay. If you want to play the animation again, we have to enable the rewind when done option. Third one, when we select this checkbox, we can view a demo of the selected animation. is auto preview. When we select this checkbox, we can view a demo of the selected animation as auto preview. Fourth one, this list allows us to apply sounds during the transition as transition sound. This list allows us to apply sounds during the transition as transition sound. Fifth one, this list allows us to select the rate at which the transition is played as delay. This list allows us to select the rate at which the transition is played as delay. Okay, so with this, your second lesson is over. Can I ask the questions now, children? Are you all ready? Yes, okay. Please answer me through the chat box. Okay, children? How many types of computers are there? How many types of computers are there? Different types of computers, no? How many types I taught? Yes, very good, children. 5 types of computers are there. Arjun, Caleb, Mohammed Irfan, very good. Pugarendi, Navina, Swaminathan, very good. Anushri, Shivanuja, Danumalya, Tanshika, Harish, Ashita. Okay, very good. Rajeshwar, Irfan, very good children. Amradinian, okay, okay. Can I ask the second question now? Okay. Okay, okay. Stop chatting, children. I'm going to ask the second question. Okay. Binary system consists of how many digits? Totally, how many digits are there in the binary system? 2 digits. Very good, Harish, Pugarendi, Amardinian, Atharva, I think, Kanishka, Sanjana, Arjun, Caleb, Fasil, Varnika, Pugarendi, Tanshika. Okay, very good, very good. Rajeshwar, Danamalya. Very good, children. Can you type what are the 2 digits, children? What are the 2 digits present in that binary system? Yes, very good. Zeros and 1. Fazil Ahmed, John Abel. Okay, Shivanuja, Anushri, Kanishka, Govardhan, Radeshwar, Desani, Caleb, Hari, Shashita. Okay, Arjun, Giona, Raswana Begum, Varnika. Okay, okay. Stop chatting, children. I'm going to ask the fourth question now. Okay. Give an example for microcomputer. Example for microcomputer. Yes, very good. Personal computer is the best example for microcomputer. Very good, children. Personal computer is an example for microcomputer. Giona, Tanshika, Harish, Pugarendi. Very good, very good. What about others? The same children are answering. I am expecting answers from all of you children. Try to answer through the chat box, okay? Okay, okay. Next question, children. Okay. Can you abbreviate PDA? Abbreviate PDA. It is the example for mobile computing, right? PDA is an example for mobile computing. PDA stands for, please abbreviate the PDA, children. PDA. PDA stands for personal. Try to answer, children. Personal data assistant.